Hey guys, welcome to Stoked Living. This is Katie. I'm Derek's wife. You usually don't see me on here, but we have been home this week. Philip has had the flu. He is doing a lot better the last few days. So Derek has commissioned us to do what, Philip?
Feed the goat. Feed
the goats. So we're gonna do that and take you guys along for the ride. Is that Ollie's?
Mm-hmm.
Why do we do Ollie first? Oh, yes, you do now. Why? Because he torments the goats unless we don't feed him first. Go ahead and let's get Ollie and then we'll come back. Ollie. Can you get all the way down? Oh, good job. You dropped it perfect. All right. Ollie. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Are you guys next? Are you guys next? Hey. Are you Margaret? Derek's named some of them, but I do not remember all their names. Ollie. He is not very friendly, is he? You guys hungry? Oh, here he comes.
Flipped over.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Philip, show them that. Show them the trough. Okay. It's upside down. We have to turn it back over. So Philip said that I would be a good person to do that. So
I didn't know it.
Here we go. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay.
I'll hold it.
Now I'll just set it. Okay. All right, Ollie, get back. Ollie, get back. Excuse me.
Come here, goat. Goat.
Where's the? How did you turn that over? Can I just put it like that?
Yeah, it's fine.
Filming, Philip?
Yes, I am.
No, you weren't.
I was too.
Okay. That move.
Okay, so how you gonna do this? Better hurry, run, hurry, go! Just jump in there. Okay, you're good. Come back.
I'm good.
There you are.
Tight. All right. Whew. Who's number one?
You.
Who's the greatest of all time?
LeBron.
Oh, that's not. You ready? We're doing. It's a football dance.
He didn't know that dance.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Mom, what are you
No,
doing?
no.
You like walking like. Don't get me in it.
All right, I was pleasantly surprised today. Got home and Katie took the initiative and did some videoing herself. Pretty excited about that. Maybe it'll do a little better than some of my videos. But we're going out as a family. We're gonna go check our minnow trap and see what we caught. Pretty excited about it. See what kind of wildlife is out, or what kind of fish, or whatever you want to call it, out in our pond. So we're headed that way. Let's go. I'll race you. Ready to go. Come on, I thought you was fast.
to that.
Dad, get it out or no?
We'll just pull it out of there. Is it heavy? Not really. Anything in it?
Yeah.
Oh man.
So what do you do with him?
Put it back out there.
You can let it back out there or use it for fish bait. Bring it up here. Get up here. Let's see what kind of fish are in there.
Oh, there's splash everywhere on me.
Let's put them out here. Quit, Philip.
Wow, we're have to go more up.
Yeah, we can pick them up.
Got more than last time.
Yeah, I know. That's more last time. What does it look like? I think these are little perch. All of them are perch. No catfish.
Stop it.
Or anything else. Just perch. Alright, let's throw them back in.
Hey, kiss it. Kiss it my lips.
Well, we didn't get any catfish in there. That's kind of what I was wanting to see. Bunch of perch. I need to get some bass and probably some crappie though in there eating little fish. So that might be a next project. But wife and Philip held the fort down today. Philip's feeling a lot better. And been a pretty good day.
Yep.
You got anything to say, Philip?
No.
Well, anything at all?
No.
Nothing like and subscribe or anything like that?
Like and subscribe.
So
Well, that's pretty good.
So it's fun.
Livy, any parting words? All right. Well, we'll catch y'all next time. You guys have a good week.